Yo dudes, check out this no-dig flower bed hack. I took my blacked out Jeep Wrangler to the Home Depot and filled it impossibly full of a shitload of black mulch and topsoil. Black, no shocker here. I came home and changed out of my school vans and into my dirty ass play vans. Then I put on my grandma's too small for my hands gardening gloves and got to work. I put down this gravel last summer as a place for my dogs to do their business. Their whiz was killing my yard. Don't forget to stay hydrated, dudes. It's hot as balls out here. I wanted to surround the ugly ass dog toilet with a beautiful flower bed, but didn't want to do the back-breaking work of digging up all the sod. I found this flower bed hack on a whole bunch of gardening blogs. You smother out the grass by putting down a bunch of recyclable cardboard boxes. Then you hose down the cardboard boxes with a shitload of water and put down a layer of topsoil. Over time, the topsoil and cardboard boxes are supposed to break down and give you a nice flower bed. Drop me a comment and let me know if you think this is genius as all get out or I'm fucking up my yard. I'm here to figure out all this shit so you don't have to. Trust me, I'll make an update post and let you know if this is a bad idea. Then you just spread out your mulch like normal. This is starting to look like a real flower bed. Yo dudes, it's time to check in on my no-dig gardening hack. Yeah, you know the one I'm talking about, the one that more than 40 million people saw around the world. Holy shit, dudes, I had so many comments about this video, there's no way I could keep up. And now it's spring, 1 year later, the plants and grass are coming out of hibernation. Time to get this bed cleaned up and ready for the season. First of all, the naysayers were wrong. It wasn't overrun by weeds or grass, and that cardboard is completely decomposed. I was already rocking some dirty-ass play shoes, so I threw on the coated Ergodyne gloves and got to work. A lot of people wanted to know why I didn't put a border around this flower bed, and well, man, I just never planned to. Well, you can totally do that. I prefer the look of a razor-sharp, crispy edge. And the way I like to do that is outline the whole joint with this badass tool called a turf edger. Just make 2 passes, man, one from the bed side and one from the grass side. When that's complete, you should be able to remove a little strip of sod. Yo, and this part can be super satisfying, like peeling some skin off a gnarly-ass sunburn. Yikes. Oh yeah, bonus, if you've got any bare spots in your yard after the winter, hook them up with all that free sod. Fuck yeah. Alright, it's time to ice this cake with some black mulch. Once the grass starts growing, man, I'm gonna show you how to make this edge hard as nails. Yo guys, it's time to check in on my no-dig gardening hack year 4. The original cardboard gardening video went mega viral and people had all kinds of opinions. A lot of people said it was gonna fail, so I did the most logical thing and used the method to landscape my walkway last summer like this. Now it's spring, time for the first mow of the year, and it's looking pretty damn good. A lot of you guys said it was gonna be overrun by weeds and grass. Oh hey look, there's one weed. Yoink. What happens to the grass? How long does the cardboard last? Won't it get moldy? What about bugs? Dudes, this is not even 1 year later and the cardboard and grass are already composted and decomposed. You're gonna need a border on that or it's all gonna wash away. Nah man, I like a crispy edge and this is how I get it done. It's simple. Flip your whacker upside down and walk backwards like this. Oh yeah, check it out, quick tip while we're out here. During the winter we keep fakes in the window boxes so it doesn't look shitty. When you're done whacking grass, it's time to get out the leaf blower. A lot of you guys said the wind was gonna blow my mulch away. Nah, I don't think so. What other concerns do you guys have about no-dig gardening? Your likes, shares, and comments are what make my DIY videos possible and I totally appreciate it. Alright dudes, I gotta scram. As always, don't forget to mash that fucking like button and follow me for more DIY. Later.